Okay, so I'm on my way to meet a friend. I'm gonna have a quick coffee with him. We'll have a look around his van while we're there. Adds a bit of variety to the channel and you get to see around some other people's vans. Speed bumps. I will live. Right, here I am with Jeff. Jeff, actually I stole his idea for the carpet, that stretchy carpet that we fitted last week, and Jeff showed me where to get it from, so we'll have a look around Jeff's camper, which is over there, shall we? Yep. Right, Jeff, so let's have a look. This is just a 1.9 long wheelbase.
That is, yeah, 1.9 converted van.
Right, let's have a look, see what you've done to it.
Well, we put the sidebars on and added the alleys, obviously, to make it a little more attractive. Fog lights on the front and fog lights, all the extras from what it was originally. Racing stripes. Not to everyone's taste, but breaks it up.
Oh, so you put these orange stripes down the side, yeah?
That's it, yeah, and on the bonnet. It's just,
what size wheels you got on there, Jeff?
18s. Originally uprated from 16 steel wheels and lowered onto H&W springs.
Nice. Right, let's have a look inside. As you can see here, look, Jeff's got the furry sticky stuff everywhere. This is where I stole this idea from. This is great.
I'd say shared. Like to use the word shared.
Yeah, it's not really shared though, is it? I just blatantly stole it. Right, so what have we done in here then, Jeff?
We changed the steering wheel to a Mark V Golf steering wheel, straight fit, which is nice and easy to do.
Did you steal that from me, or had you already done that?
I think I did steal off you, Lee. I saw your video and thought that's a good idea. So I think they're
quite a cheap fix, these, aren't they?
They were. I think that's about £80 with the airbag.
Yeah, I think I paid about that.
Painted the dash. Was originally I wrapped it originally, and it worked well, but the paint's better. The modification with the gear selector.
Yeah, I was just having a look at that. This ring finishes it quite posh, doesn't it?
That's the LD style, I believe. I got it off of eBay, I believe.
And these carpets?
Yeah, carpets. Went to a show, saw them, and decided to order them up. You have them whatever colour you want, so went for orange.
Yeah, they look quite nice, they do. Shall we have a look in the back?
Yeah.
Right, here we are, the interesting bit. Right then, Jeff, so talk me through what you've got in here.
Well, originally this bit here, this used to be floorboards. Got fed up with keep picking them up and moving them backwards, so I had this fitted about 12 months or so ago. On the roof at the front here, these don't come with a panel here, so I kind of made this myself. So that's how it normally comes.
Oh, I see, yeah, because you've obviously got the lift up roof as well, haven't you? That's the bit I've not got.
That's it. So a lot of heat comes from this roof, and it makes the cabin quite hot, and also it doesn't look very pretty. So I've got some plywood, made a template plate out of cardboard, and that filled the hole in nicely and finished it off.
Yeah, that fits in there quite nice, doesn't it?
It does. And also when the roof is up, Lee, you've got a shelf to put your stuff on.
Can we have a look at it with the roof up, or is it a bit
sure.
of a pain?
No, we can do that.
Super easy to do.
We'll release the clip at the back here. Bolts the back down.
Release that clip. There's the 2 straps at the front, and then it should push up nice.
Here we go.
Nice.
Put those bits in there like that.
Oh, I see. So you cram that out of the way, push that up.
Push that up. Put that down. Nice little shelf. All your goodies.
Now inside we've got enough room to stand up. Bit of ventilation. Opening these up. Nice. And this bit, obviously here, this pulls down, and then this gives room for 2 more to sleep up here as well. So it's a 4-berth, yeah?
Yeah, it is. Yep. Also, we might add a little modification over here. I mean, in the evenings we used to sit here watching the TV behind you and have a cup of tea. I've got nowhere to put my tea. Yeah, so just made a little flip-up table. So put your tea there and relax.
Nice, good idea.
It is.
Nice
and cheap.
Yeah, I might actually steal that. I might steal that idea, yeah.
I've got a bracket if you want one, Lee.
Yeah, yeah, I quite like that idea.
And,
nice.
That just springs down. Out the way.
Nice, so usual stuff in here.
Normal, yeah.
Fridge.
Yeah, stocked.
Plenty of beer.
Yeah, plenty of beer, sink.
Nice.
Hob.
No, oh, yours are separate, aren't they? Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a bit better actually.
Crockery cupboard. Everything's here.
Plenty of room for storage in here, isn't there? That's the difference between the short wheelbase and the long wheelbase. You do get a lot more storage, don't you?
Well,
yeah. They're a bit more of a pain to park, but to be honest, I don't think they're that bad.
Storage cupboard. We call it the swear cupboard, Lee. Yeah, because you put stuff in it, it falls out, and you can't get the door closed.
Ah, I see.
So you just cram it in there, close it quickly. Hopefully that's it. Swear cupboard. TV's on a nice little pull-down bracket, which I found off eBay. I think it's for kitchens at home or something.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So that goes there nicely.
Oh, nice. So it folds away all nice as well. That.
Falls away.
Mine just sits in the way all the time.
That's it. So
plenty of storage up there as well.
That's it.
Yeah,
Pop
nice.
Whatever you want.
Little bit of storage space at the back for your clothes and that.
You want me to call a portaloo?
Oh, you've got the emergency toilet as well, then,
never
have you?
been used, but
yeah, I've never used mine either, but you never know, do you?
the day we take it out will be the day you wish you didn't.
So where's your gas on this one, Jeff?
Gas in this is in this one here. You can see it.
Oh, just cram behind there somewhere. Oh, I see. Yeah.
All space users to the maximum.
Nice, nice. And your water tanks are in there?
Water tanks in there.
Oh yeah. Oh, you've got the same ones like me. Yeah. I do like having this roof though. That does make it better, doesn't it?
It does.
Right. So Jeff's got the same type of seating as me, where it pulls out and goes into a bed. So we're sleeping 2 down here, 2 up there. Nice. Cheers for showing me around this, Jeff.
No problem, Lee.
It's been good. And you guys, if you want to see any more of this sort of thing, we'll try and look around some other vans or some other cars, then comment below and we'll have a look into that. So, cheers, Jeff.
Until next time.
Thanks.
Bye.
Cheers.
Yes,